We did it!
I don't even know why I brought this tire out. I could have yanked that sucker off with my bare hands.
Sure you could, Zuko. I just broke 6 fingernails.
Count them.
Hey, these hubcaps ain't got a scratch on them. They must be worth 2 beans a piece easy.
Hey, how much do you think we can get for these cool dice?
Hey, who the hell would put brand new chromers on a secondhand Dodge car like that?
I don't know, probably some new tool, huh?
Hey, let's go push these things up on somebody.
Oh yeah, why don't we go sell them to a police station 11 o'clock at night, huh? A police station? No, they don't use those kind of hubcaps on cop cars.
Hey, it's that car we just hit. It's big tracks. This is the evidence.
Whoa, wait a second. It's Kenickie.
Kenickie?
All right, shut up and put it back on the cart.
I'm going to hold it before you swipe up.
Hey, where'd you get these cool dice? Yeah, what are you doing with this hunk of junk anyway?
Zuko, what are you talking about? This is grease lightning.
Are you kidding?
Oh, this is it.
Do you really expect the belief to make out in this sardine can?
Hey, get bedbots here.
Hey, nice color. What is it? Candy apple primer?
That's all right. Wait till I soup up her engine and give her a paint job. She'll work like a champ.
Oh yeah, the one and only grease lightning, huh?
Grease lightning.